Hey everyone, welcome back to SFDC Ninja, and today I am back with another Apex Trigger scenario. And this scenario was asked in CGI interview, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, let's understand the requirement. So in today's requirement, we need to automatically update the salutation field on contact based on the value of gender whenever a contact is inserted or updated. For example, if gender is male, then the salutation should automatically become Mr. If gender is female, then the salutation should be Miss. And if gender is blank or has any other value, then we can keep the salutation as blank. So this is the requirement. I hope it is clear to you. It's time to code. So let's go to developer console. Today we are working on developer console because my VS Code is not working correctly. So here let's create our handler class. Let's create our method. Based on gender. In this method, we will pass list of contact as parameter. Basically, in this list, from a trigger, we will pass trigger.new. So this list is equal to trigger.new. Copy its name and here apply a null check on it. Let's iterate over it. Now guys, here we will check gender and then we will set salutation accordingly. But before that, let's understand one thing, which is sometimes the value stored in gender field might not always follow the same letter case. So for that, what we'll do, we will use equals ignore case function, by which we can ignore case sensitivity like this. If con dot end on contact, let me show you one thing. On contact object for gender field, we have a field gender identity. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to make this field visible to your profile, and after that you need to add this field on page layout. So here we will use the same field, copy this, paste it here, apply a null check on it, and here use equals ignore case. So if gender is male, then the salutation will be Mr. Else if gender is female, then the salutation will be Miss. Else salutation will be null. Let's save it. So our handler class is ready. Now let's create a trigger. It is obvious that our trigger will be on contact object. And here we need to add a before update event. Apply a check like this. This is to ensure that our handler class code will run only for before insert and before update event. Copy our class name, paste it here, and here pass trigger.new. Let's save it. So our code is ready. It's time to sit in action. Let's go to contact. Click on new. We will not select salutation. Test for Mr. and gender will be male. Click on save. So here as you can see that we got Mr. Now let's update it to female and it gets updated to Miss, which means our code is working fine. Guys, there is one more thing, that in our handler class we are not doing any DML operation. Why? Because in our trigger we are calling our handler method inside, before insert and before update context. That means before the record is actually saved to database. So Salesforce gives us power to modify field value directly on the record. In simple language, you can directly modify field values without using DML. So that's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.